What's up? It's your boy Mac, aka Cardiac Arrest. We're here with the Smile Death Network, and I'm at Nico Circuit for Final Bout Special Stage Japan. We're gonna check out some awesome shit, some dumb shit, some drifting, some rigs, the sights, the sounds. It's gonna be amazing. So come with me and let's check this shit out. Let's get to it. Figure the best place to start is right here on the path into the circuit with one of the last things I thought I would see in Japan. How about this? On the XDs, I think this thing was imported straight from Wisconsin or something. I feel like I see these every day driving around town. Unbelievable. And I know that you all want to see these trucks. I mean, they're everywhere, and man, do they look convenient. Your vehicle looks cool, you look cool. And something else that I have to point out to you, something about Japan, the trucks here, if it has chrome on it, the chrome is so polished. Everything is like A tier. It doesn't matter what it is. And it's not just this truck, it's any truck. If there's chrome, it's perfect. People really take care of their vehicles here, regardless what it is. It's pretty amazing. Let's check some other stuff out. Some incredible stuff here in the parking lot. Check that out. It's real. We're out here. Mountains in the background, cars everywhere, vending machines. Let's go look at some stuff. I know that you guys want to see some stuff. We're gonna we're gonna look at everything. I mean, are you kidding me? What a day. What an absolute day. I'm just gonna walk around the entire pit of what's here, one long clip. Come with me. Holy, these guys. I'm at a loss for words. Wow. I know that you guys want to see the S14 that rolls with these guys. So, I'll come back when that thing rolls up, and we'll get you guys the goods. I think you guys probably know that guy right there, you know? Okay. The liveries on this is absolutely incredible. Remember this stuff. And I think this is all painted. It's not wrap or anything like that. Paint. Silky House Racing. Just in case you need to do your taxes, you've got a little shelf. Tax season is upon us. Really awesome. Kakui. Arigato. So that's one of the best words I thought to learn was to tell people cool. So it's your Japanese word for the day, kakui. I mean, squad up, am I right? Chasers are going to be JZXs are going to be everywhere. All sorts of sedans. Look at that, mobbing. There's going to be some havoc going down today. Dear boys. Check that fitment. Fuck, are you kidding me? I'm gonna see if this thing has gotta be static. It's gotta be. Oh shit. There's a dog in there. Oh yeah. She's static. Look at that. That's good. Proper low style. Street Junkies with Revolution. Good magazines, options. This is crazy. Alright. We've got some monster truckage going on. But looks like it's probably gonna rip. Beautiful S15 pulling in. Everything here. Absolutely sick.
Okay.
It fucks. It fucks hard. Yeah. I really want to.
Let's take a closer look at this paint job. You know me. I mean, I'm gonna check out the stuff that's interesting. I'm gonna walk by the stuff that's cool. But you know, if we see something that's worth looking at up close, we're gonna stop and take a closer look. It's on the SSR's highest run. Is this team name? Paint goes all the way back. This does it. This is good. Really good. Kakui. Absolutely sick. Let's see, is there anything good in the interior? Nothing too crazy, but wow. Really good. Really good. They do all, these two cars for sure, I think have the same paint. This one's a little bit different shade, but still, it's paint. Looks really good. That's a squad right there. That is a squad. Some more good low style. Really good. I'm ready to see some of these cars get down, and I know that you all are as well. Yokohama Bayside. Charm. Beautiful. Some Car Modify Wonder stuff. Oh. And there's some cars here that you're gonna have to see to believe. And I think I'm gonna have to see them to believe them too, because I've heard things. And you may have seen it in the background, but we'll get there. How about this? All of these sick. ITVs, you know what it is. I mean, this is crazy. And it just doesn't stop. Squads. Highlighter yellow. What a variety. What an absolute variety. You know what it is, Mako Mans. So sick. I love a good wild livery. Oh. Pretty good fitment on this guy right here on the VSKFs. Looks great. Same over here. Super sick. These guys are all looking absolutely fantastic. People changing tires, you know. Okay, so this team, Low Brain, has got a wild mix of vehicles. The one I'm the most excited to see, though, is this one right here. I don't know if you're aware or if you've seen much about it, but this thing is front-wheel drive. Front-wheel drive, front engine drifting. I'm super excited to see how this is gonna go. It's gonna be unlike anything I've ever seen, and probably unlike anything you've ever seen. So I'm really excited to see that. And then we've got a couple of cars like this as well. I mean, I don't even know. But I want this Corolla wagon. The color is gorgeous. I mean, the details. I want it. I want it. Beautiful. This is good. Got AJ over there. Huge shout outs. Been making this trip awesome to hang out with those guys. Alright, we got another row to go down over here. Trackside. Feels weird to be here in person. You know, you see it on video so many times. But I'm excited to see some three-wheel action, and I know that you all are as well. There's another surprise right over there that we'll also get to. You can probably see it in the background maybe, but for now, got some more 8.6s. I love the, I mean, just look at that. Look at that shine. Livery is pretty cool too. I love the good chrome. Simple, a good way to make your car just subtle and clean livery because it reflects whatever's around it. You know, it's good. Love black and gold, you know me. Also love the mustard color on this. Also, if you really want to throw somebody off at like a company picnic or something, and like you want some mustard on a hot dog or a burger, ask them to pass the turd to you and just see what happens. This is sick. What do you guys think about colored window tint like that? I mean, personally, I think it can be done well. And I really don't mind the way that it's done on this. And again, the chrome is great. Look at the exhaust. Look at that. I don't know what I'm looking at here. But hashtag yellow bullet 2. I'm very excited to see what this thing can do. Some crazy cars right here, though. I'm excited to see this shit get down. This doesn't seem real. Can you believe this? This is crazy. Unreal. Most expensive car I will have seen drift for sure. Pretty sure this thing gets down, so wow. Well, that's it for the pit walk. There's a lot of cars here. Maybe there's more rolling in. I don't know. There's not a ton of room, but I think things are starting to get heated up here. I don't know if you can hear that, but cars are starting all around. So I'm gonna see where the meeting is, check that out, and then watch some cars rip and show you guys the action. So let's check it out.